Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dad. So today, I'm kind of bored, so I'm gonna play with makeup and drink a little bit. I think I'm gonna go for like a smoky blue eyes with like a lot of glitter because your girl likes glitter. I'm gonna drink some more and I'm gonna get started, so keep watching. I'm sorry for the background noises.
There's cars out there, you know, and dogs barking, but it's just your normal neighborhood. I can't say they're friendly.
Who watches Rick and Morty? So I'm gonna start off with some tape. Put it back in my hand.
Don't want that bitch too sticky. Hurt like a band-aid when you rip it off.
It makes it less stickier when you do it this way.
Please bear with me. This is my first tutorial where I actually talk through it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna stick it right here. On the other side, try to make it even. I think that looks okay.
It's just tape.
This is the paint pot, soft ochre.
This shit is gonna be backwards anyway, so I'm just gonna, I'll read it to you.
So I'm just gonna use a regular concealer brush. Paint that shit all over your eyelids. And make sure you work fast because this stuff, it dries really quickly. I like to go in with my fingers and just blend the rest of it out. I'm gonna go in with the Magic palette. I'm gonna use these two colors here. I'm gonna use like a small rounded brush first to pack it on. And just tap it on there. Do little by little. I'm just gonna do like a smoky eye. All over smoky eye. I'm gonna do it the messy way. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a blending brush. I'm gonna do a small blending brush and just start blending that in all around, circular motions. Fade that all the way up to the brow bone. And I'm gonna take a bigger fluffy brush like this. Fan that out.
Listen, I know, it's messy.
But if you take one of these things, lightly blend everything together.
You start looking like a raccoon. It's a look, for real. Just like that, okay? Oh, is it working?
I need to add more. Adding more just to fill in the spots.
Did I miss hard talking and doing this?
How do people talk to themselves on the camera? I swear the moment the camera comes on, I'm just like...
I don't know.
For the majority of this video, you're just gonna hear my fat ass just breathing.
I should do ASMR or something.
Just kidding. Okay, so I got hooded eyes. So you see, when I look up, this part right here needs to be filled in. So I have to bring it up a little bit more. So I need to make it more saturated right in here and then buff it out a little bit farther.
Cool.
Fluffy. Okay, now with the clean, fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go for this light brown here. Honestly, I'm just looking at the phone screen right now, and it probably looks like crap in the mirror.
But whatever. I could work with that.
Now I'm going to grab a round brush again and just dip it into some black eyeshadow. And this is going to be on the lash line.
Just tap it, tap it, tap it.
Tap it in.
I know, it still looks like a mess right now.
Just putting black in so it can create more depth. Using the same blending brush, the small one, blend that up towards the brow, blend it in nicely. So I was getting a little bit like patchiness from the first two colors that I apply on, and I feel like the black helps to cover up some of that, so it's easier to blend in. It'll make the colors more gradient looking. Fill in all the little spots there. A little bit messy.
That's why we got the tape down, you know, we gotta make sure it's there.
Cool!
Okay, so I saw this really pretty navy-ish blue green color here. This one, Asia. I'm just gonna take a flat brush and apply that on the lid.
Pretty.
I'm really messy with it right now. We're gonna clean it up later. And then small blending brush again.
Little strokes.
What have you all been doing during this self-isolation? I've been binge watching Bob's Burgers again. That's my favorite show. And basically cleaning the whole house.
Lots of fun being an adult.
Gonna wing it out.
A wing a what? A wing a what?
Please don't copyright strike me for that.
You know, I'm watching Bob's Burgers right now, but quietly.
I just like looking at the visuals.
I'm gonna go back into light brown again. Light brown and then a nice beige color to mix it up. Just want to soften it up. Alright, so taking the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. This really pretty metallic blue. I'm gonna put that all over the lid like so. Ooh, it's so pretty, that first swipe onto the darker color. So pretty. I know.
Messy.
I know.
But we have blending brushes for that, okay? Alright, bear with me. This is your best friend when it comes to makeup.
The air conditioning just came on, so extra noises, yay!
Extra noises.
Who else likes to sing random words? Also, what character on Bob's Burgers is your favorite? I think Linda's my favorite. She's so funny. Okay, does it look okay? Starting to look fierce. Ah, yeah.
Still got fallout right here, but it's okay because I still look fierce. That's so awkward.
Okay, so the next step is glitter. I got this really pretty purpley one and this blue one here. I think I'm gonna mix both of them together because I want to get a little bit of purple and that, since I started off with a violet color. All right.
It's go time.
Okay, so I'm gonna use the NYX glitter primer. Just gonna put that much for now, and just need to grab a flat brush, like a small concealer brush. I'm just gonna reuse the one I use for Paint Pot first. Just wipe that down a little bit just in case. But before this, I'm gonna mix these colors together. So when you open it, it has like this little sticker on top of it so that the glitter doesn't fall out and so that you know it's new. Obviously, I opened this one already. It's a mess, but I'm just gonna pour it in here in the cap. A lot easier. I'm gonna clean the cap later.
Don't you worry.
Just gonna mix it up. Mix it.
That's pretty.
Make sure I don't spill the glitter everywhere. I'm going to just load it on both sides like this and then just dab it,
The only kind of dabbing you should be doing.
Just kidding. Blend some of that outwards because then some of the glitter chunks will kind of fade out instead of having to hang out in one spot.
Like a glitter clusterfuck, you know?
You want it to fade out. You want it kind of everywhere. So same thing on this side. I'm just gonna do it real quick before it dries on me. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush for this. So I'm gonna load that.
Lock and loaded. Woo.
Make it look like it's like dispersing everywhere.
Wonderful.
See that disco party on my eyelid?
Yes.
That's what we're looking for. Do any of you still listen to disco? Is Donna Summers considered disco? I love her voice.
Dim all the lights, sweet darling.
Like if you know that song.
'Cause the night is all the way.
Woo! Okay. I think I got a little bit of glitter everywhere, but there you go. That's what it looks like. I think I kind of want it a little bit brighter in the center here, so I'm gonna find a lighter color. I think I might go for the pearl.
Did you make a difference? Oh no, I didn't. Okay.
Never mind.
I go back and put a little bit more of this stuff that was on my hand. Good thing I didn't touch anything clumsy like that. Just gonna put that in the middle like this, and like that.
I like it like that. Ooh! Slow motion for me.
I might go for the holographic looking one.
Glitter everywhere, man.
Okay, this time I'm just gonna reuse this and see how it goes.
Ooh. See that big clusterfuck though? Like, it needs to be dispersed.
I think I fucked it up, you guys. Or does it look cool like this?
I'm gonna try the other side with just the fluffy brush instead and see how that goes. I'm getting glitter everywhere. Okay,
Oh shit. Oh shit.
there it goes. Okay, we'll just do it like that. I'm freaking getting glitter freckles everywhere.
That'd be cute. That is cute. Alright, now
Look like a freaking mess right now.
though. Glamorous raccoon. Alright, here's what I didn't record.
I cleaned up this area with a little bit of coconut oil because it was kind of hard to get off. Part of this came off. Here's the reveal. Just gonna pull this side off.
Not too bad.
Alright.
Now I'm just gonna go back with the round brush and go back to the first two colors that I did. The blue and the violet. Go underneath my lower lash line here.
Ooh, raccoon.
But make her the whale.
I'm so sorry.
Your best friend underneath here.
I think you just fucked up. It just keeps coming down.
Not gonna admit defeat yet. Nope, we're still going strong.
I'm just gonna line my eyes with this Kat Von D. Cool. So this is the finished look. I had to stop talking because everybody was really loud. If you made it this far, cheers to you. Please make sure you like and subscribe.